Gamer123ST here. Today we are back with Neptune, the video space series part 9. Now it's been a while since we did Uranus, but without further ado, let's get started. I'm Gamer123ST and this is Neptune space series part 9. Let's get going. Neptune is the fourth biggest planet in our solar system. Now it is just a little bit smaller than Uranus. If Uranus was 50,000 kilometers in diameter, then this one's 49,244 kilometers in diameter. Neptune is by far the farthest planet from the sun. Well, if you're talking about Pluto, Pluto is a dwarf planet. I already told you guys in Saturn because it doesn't qualify because it didn't take out all the rocks in its orbital path, and we're also going to be talking a little more about that towards the end of the video. And Neptune is by far the farthest planet from the sun because it's a planet with a distance of 4.495 billion kilometers away from the sun. Neptune has the wildest and strangest weather, as I told you in the episode of Jupiter. It has huge storms with extremely high winds. Its atmosphere also has dark spots, which ones come and go, and bright cirrus-like clouds, which change rapidly. Neptune has an average temperature of drumroll please, minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 214 degrees Celsius, but still, that is super cold. And Neptune has 14 known moons. Neptune also has the largest year in our solar system, with 1 year on Neptune being equal to 165 Earth years. The rest of the gas giants, Neptune has no definite surface layer. Instead, the gas transits into a slushy ice and water layer. The atmosphere of Neptune is made out of hydrogen and helium with some methane. Neptune has an average speed of 5.43 kilometers per second, but Neptune is also the third fast rotating planet, and Neptune can complete a day in 16 hours and 6 minutes, which makes it the third fastest planet that can complete a day. Jupiter is first with 9 hours, Saturn second with 10 hours, Neptune comes in third with Uranus coming in fourth, and then Earth coming in fifth, Mars coming in sixth, seventh would be Mercury, eighth is Venus. Alright. So anyway, deep down inside Neptune, the planet might have an actual solid surface. At the very core of the gas ice giant is thought to be a region of rock. It's roughly the mass of Earth. In short, there is simply no way one could stand on the surface of Neptune. Let's alone walk on Neptune. It is dark, cold, and very windy. And Neptune is similar to Uranus. It's made of a thick soup of water, ammonia, and methane over an Earth-sized solid center. On Earth, sunlight drives our weather, but on Neptune, it's so far away, it received 1,000 times less sunlight than Earth does. Neptune has the second largest gravitational pull in our solar system after Jupiter. Triton is the largest natural satellite of Neptune, and the first Neptunian moon ever to be discovered is Triton. Triton's mass is more than the rest of Neptune's moons combined, with a temperature of minus 235 degrees Celsius. It's colder than Pluto. Triton is the seventh largest planet in our moon in our solar system, and is bigger than Pluto. Triton is a moon formed from Kuiper belt. It is belt because it's really strange. Triton orbits Neptune clockwise, while Neptune orbits the sun counterclockwise, which was pretty weird for me when I first discovered it, because how does Triton orbit it clockwise and Neptune orbit the sun counterclockwise? Then I realized that any planet could orbit any direction as long as it's orbiting one direction, because we got like Uranus rolling on its side. If you haven't watched that video, I have made Uranus Space Series Part 8, and Uranus is rolling on its side. So this is not anyhow of a mystery between that. And yes, so once you did that, Triton orbits Neptune clockwise, and Neptune orbits the sun counterclockwise. So that's not a problem. Neptune has 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. I've been seeing a lot about Neptune because also the rings of Neptune are 6 rings. Might not see it, but they're made out of dust and chunks. Of course, now Saturn has a big Roche limit, so we can see a lot about Saturn, but not like that, Neptune. Anyway, I did mention that we talk about Neptune and Pluto towards the end of the video. So here, just some pictures about the orbit of Neptune and Pluto, but let's talk about this. So Neptune, there in 1979, the white dots are where Neptune was, and the white dots are where Neptune was, and there's no dots, I guess they're like some kind of swingy things. No, Pluto's the white dots, and Neptune is the blue dots. So that's the sun in the middle, and then there's the orbit of Neptune, there's the orbit of Pluto. And also we have here Pluto's orbit is right down there, that one. Neptune's orbit here, Uranus's orbit, Jupiter's orbit, Saturn's orbit, and then Jupiter's orbit. So after saying all of this, we're coming to the end of the video of Neptune. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share it with all your friends. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to Gamer123ST. Peace out.